Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Home Assistant Cloud for remote dashboard access step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Navigate to the Home Assistant website. If you haven't already, log in to your Home Assistant account. Locate the sidebar on the left side of the interface. Click on Configuration from the sidebar menu. Within the Configuration menu, find and select Home Assistant Cloud. You will see the option for Home Assistant Cloud. Click on that option to proceed. Next, you may need to sign up for a Home Assistant Cloud account. Follow the prompts to create your account. Enter your email address and create a password. After filling in your details, submit the form. You will receive a verification email. Open your email inbox and find the verification email. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. Return to the Home Assistant interface once your account is verified. You should now be logged into Home Assistant Cloud. Next, look for the Enable Remote Access option. Toggle this option to enable remote access to your dashboard. Once enabled, you may customize your remote dashboard settings. Adjust any additional settings as needed for your preferences. After configuring your settings, click Save to apply the changes. Your Home Assistant Cloud is now set up for remote access. To access your dashboard remotely, use the provided URL. Bookmark this URL for easy future access. You have successfully registered with Home Assistant Cloud for remote dashboard access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.